bang original? Original ba dapat ang isubmit na requirements? No need to submit the original documents. You can just submit scanned copy or photocopy po ng mga documents po ninyo when you file for I-129F. Not unless po if USCIS will request for that one. Please visit uscis.gov for more information on these are the requirements that the petitioner need to submit, and meron din po kay beneficiary. So let's start with the petitioner. Again, the birth certificate to prove of his citizenship. Unexpired passport. Dapat po yung passport niya is hindi expired. Yung bio page lang po yung kailangan, okay? And if previously married naman po si fiancé ninyo, all he has to do is submit the divorce decree po. Or if widowed siya, he needs to submit